There was a spare pipe under there, 1.25 inches. We got it all taped off back now, but we'll use that later on for landscape lighting. I just got that piece stuffed in there to keep dirt from getting in the hole, because it stops just under the slab. But these are the 3 new ones for the sprinkler system. Ready to tap onto. So another step in the progress. Good boys. Okay, let's show you guys. We got done. Here's a tap from the main valves. Got all that piped in. Two of them crossing. One teed off, so because I'm going to go 2 different ways when I get on the other side. So, and that'll give me some ballast for that one circuit. And the yellow circuit coming out here is the first head. That's a 360. I'll show you guys how I'm doing these. Cut this stuff. These little lay the pipe in there and chop it off. Really easy. But this silly pipe is tougher than it looks. So I'm warming this up to make it soft for about 5 or 10 seconds. And you can see how that just slips right on there. And we got the trench about 6 to 8 inches deep, and it's tapered down a little deeper where the heads are at. So Put a little dirt in this one to keep it in place. We're going to not fill them up all the way until we test it. So now we get the last head for zone number 3. And I picked all the ones that are fitting based on the plan. These are 360 degrees, anywhere from 8 to 14 foot adjustment. So I can adjust it so it doesn't waste too much water in the street. And then that one will overlap a little bit, and I'll adjust that one a little wider to 14 feet. This one will be adjusted down to the narrow. Dad's got the hole opened up. That thing burned my leg. Dad's got the hole opened up enough where all we got to do is cut that a little bit with the pipe so it tapers down into the bottom of the hole. And this part here has been driven on for years now, so the ground is really hard. So head about here. I'm going to taper down and top it off right there. And we'll warm that up a little bit because it is really tough to push on there. And this softens it up enough where it goes on. Yeah. These will pop up 4 inches above where the top of the sprinkler is there. So they'll stick out of the grass. Just enough dirt in case we got to dig it back out. So that's zone 3 done. I'll show you guys some more a little bit later. See ya. Good morning, boys and girls. We are doing the final video on the sprinkler system install. I still got to paint those pipes to protect them from the UV rays in the sun, but that's our I put these stakes in to protect the body from weed eater and the lawnmower. It's easy to come in and smack it, but that's the end of that. And then the last video we were looking at adding a head over here, and we got that piped in underneath the pavers there and teed in over on the valve body. So we're on zone 3 now. We don't get no water on the camera. I got that thing set just right so it shoots everywhere, but right here, so it won't shoot in the screen into the laundry room, but it'll get the jasmines on both sides and these two shrubs, and some of it will squirt in through the screen there and wet the orchid plants a little bit. And then you can see out here we toned down this one so it's got a real small flow, and just enough to water the grass here in the front, so when you're driving on it to park here, this grass will get watered. So that's zone 3 is finished. I went around with the last little bucket of dirt I had and gingerly poured it on the trench. We need to get a good rain to let it all wash in, but we got the dirt spread on all the trench spots that look low. This area is all closed in. So I'll go turn on zone 1. So we got to turn zone 3 off, and it just shut off. Switch to zone 1 and manual on. There, the valve just kicked in. There's zone 1. Getting all this grass out here, even on this people park a lot out here in the front. That'll take care of the whole front part that's really the driest of the yard. The main reason we installed the system was to get water out here in the front good. And this is in a triangle format. Normally you see sprinkler systems done in a grid format, which is a square. There'll be one on each corner. But according to the statistics, the triangle format, which is a layout in the shape of a triangle for the heads, does a little better job, especially in the overlap in the corners. And we're definitely seeing a better output to the areas that are the driest. This corner here and the far corner over there. So I'll probably mow the grass tomorrow because it's already starting to grow out here. I haven't run the system on its normal automatic function yet. I have to program the zones and the time for each zone. That'll be something fun to do. That'll make it where it's totally automated and I don't have to touch it. We'll have to figure out what days of the week and how many times a week we want to do it. Go zone 1 off. Zone 2 on. There, the valve just kicked in. There's zone 2. So I'll take the other corner here and the back side of the palm tree. That'll get all the plants here. I'm going to plant some grass seed in this area. And And the rest of zone 2 is down this side of the house. And we drive through here a lot too. I have to keep the trailer in the back, so we open this gate up and drive right through here. So zone 2 is taking care of the whole section on the back of the fence and the whole sections that are in this corner here. So you can see the zone 1 head over there takes care of this overlapping from zone 2 head over here. My property line's right here, so I can feel water hitting my feet right now, so I think it's going to do a good job. The areas that are driest, thanks for watching.